Assalamu alaikum dear student, how are you all? I hope you are all well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Nasima Akter, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a science class for class 7 student. Our topic is cellular organization of plants and animals. Today we will discuss about our creative question answer 2. So let's start today's class. Student, you can see here is the stem, here is the two picture. This is creative question answer question 2 according to your book. First picture is, here is a tub covering some grasses. M. This is picture M, and another is picture of carrot. This is N. Our A number question is, what is a cell wall? B number is, why is mitochondria called powerhouse? C number, why is figure N color through it is a root? That means this figure. D number, explain the changes of the plant in figure M that would occur after 8 to 10 days. That means this figure. Now we will start our answer. Answer A. 1 number question was, what is a cell wall? Answer is, in plant cell there is a hard and thick non-living wall composed of cellulose, which is called cell wall. Number B question was, why is mitochondria called powerhouse? Our answer is, small rod-like organelles dispersed in cytoplasm of plant and animal cells are the mitochondria. Mitochondria is the source of all energy used in metabolic activities in an organism. So it is called powerhouse of the cell. Energy is produced through oxidation and reduction process. Our next question answer is C. The question was, why is figure N colored through it is a root? Answer is, we know that depending on the presence and absence of pigments, plastid are two types. One type is chromoplastid or colored plastid, and another is leucoplastid or colorless plastids. Leucoplasts are present in plant parts where light cannot reach, such as plastids of root cells. Leucoplasts, when exposed to sunlight, convert to chromoplast, especially chloroplast. In the above figure, N is root of carrot. That means this figure. Chromoplast is present in carrot. Chromoplast produce yellow, orange and red color. For this reason, N is colored through it is a root. Number D. Number D question was, explain the changes of the plant in figure M that would occur after 8 to 10 days. Answer is, we know that in absence of light, chloroplast converts to leucoplastids. Leucoplast is colorless because it doesn't contain any color pigments. In the above figure M, grass is covered with a tub. We can see our stem. Here is some grass covered with tub. So those grasses cannot get any sunlight if it is covered for 8 to 10 days, then grass will become white, that means colorless. Because in absence of light, chloroplast of green grass will convert to leucoplast. When the tub is taken away, the white grass will gradually become green due to sunlight. Now student, we will do some MCQ based on this chapter. One number is, which of the following structure is absent in meristematic cell? One number option is cell wall, B number nucleus, C number cell vacuole, D number cellulose. Our answer will be C number, cell vacuole absent in our meristematic cell. 2 number question is, the cell vacuole contains, option is organic acid and salt, 2 number option is protein and carbohydrate, and 3 number is organic acid and inorganic acid. Which of the following answer is correct? A number 1 or 2, that means this one and this one, and B is 1 and 3, or C number 2 or 3, and D 1, 3 or 3. Our answer is A number 1 and 3, that means organic acid and salt and protein and carbohydrate. Next, from the following stem A and B, answer the question number 3 and 4. Number 3 and 4. Here is the stem, you can see here is a 2 figure, figure A and figure B. The function of figure A, that means this figure, is, 1 number option is to give mechanical support, 2 number to store fats, 3 number to produce red blood cells. Which of the following is correct? A number is 1 and 2, B number is 1 and 3, C number is 2 and 3, or D number is 1, 3 and 3 number. So answer is D number. That means to give mechanical support, to store fats, to produce red blood cells. 4 number is, characteristics of A and B are, 1 number option is they are connective tissue, 2 number they transport oxygen, 3 number their main constituent is calcium. Which one of the following is correct? A number option is 1, B number option is 3, C number option is 1 and 3, 1 and 2, and D number is 1, 3, 2 and 3. Answer is D. That means they are connective tissue, they transport oxygen, their main constituent is calcium. Dear student, your SW will be this CQ's creative question 2, sub number is B, C and D. Okay dear student, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practice at home and do your assigned SW in your SW copy and submit your SW every Sunday from 8 am to 4 pm. So see you again in our next class. Thank you.